We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello friends, myself Kiran Limbacha, Assistant Professor, Electrical Engineering Department, Neotech Institute of Technology, Virod, Vadodara. Today is my presentation on differential protection scheme for power transformer. So, in this figure shows the schematic diagram of differential protection for power transformer. The power transformer is delta star connected power transformer which is protected by differential protective scheme. The CT on the star connected side which is connected with delta connection and delta connected winding is connected with star connected cities. The neutral of CT star and power transfer star connection is grounded. The restraining coil are connected across the secondary winding of cities. The operating coils are connected between the tapping points on the restraining coil and star point of CT secondary winding. The operating coil normally carry no load current as they are balanced on both sides of the cities. When the fault occurs in a power transformer, the balance is disturbed and operating coils of the differential relay carry current corresponding to the difference of the current between the two sides of power transformer and operate the relay to trip the main circuit breaker on both sides of the power transformer. So, transformer is protected by internal faults of power transformer. So, we can protect the transformer. Now, there is a one questions related to turns ratio. Why we require the turn ratio as well as the CT connection in power transformer? It is a north way that the current in primary and secondary winding of power transformer are not equal and therefore there is a use of identical CTs will be given different current and operate the relay even under no load condition. The difference in the magnitude of primary winding and secondary winding current is compensated by CTs of different ratio. The ratio of CTs used on the two side of power transformer should be their secondary have equal current during the normal operating condition. So we required as per the transformer connection winding like star to star connection of winding required CT connection in delta delta as well as delta star connected winding required star delta connection of CT.